Imagine you have a data set with a lot of duplicate data that you need to clean up. The problem at hand involves a pooler's data frame, where we want to consolidate the duplicate entries. The current solution provided consists of using Python poolers to group the data by the ID column, aggregate the data column, convert it into a struct, unlist it, and finally drop the original data column. This will result in a new data frame with the desired format. Now, diving into the solution, we start by importing the necessary libraries and creating a new data frame. By grouping the data by the ID column, aggregating the data column, and transforming it into a struct data type, we are able to achieve the desired consolidation. This process allows us to unlist the data and drop the original data column, resulting in a clean and concise data frame with the information structured in the way we want. In summary, we successfully tackled the problem of consolidating duplicate data in a pooler's data frame by utilizing Python poolers functionalities. The solution provided a step-by-step guide on how to group, aggregate, transform, and unlist the data to achieve the desired output format. With this approach, we can efficiently clean and organize our data frame. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Remember, data cleaning can be fun. Sometimes,